Great to have you with us here on a Thursday night, and we begin with that new case, the first human-to-human case of the coronavirus here in the U.S. A couple in Chicago, the woman just back from China, and her husband now has it. It comes as the World Health Organization tonight has now declared the outbreak a global health emergency.
Conference was the school closures. Dr. Karen Salmon is the state school superintendent. Here she is talking about the closure. Respirators and other personal protective equipment arrived at DJI Marshall Airport. They'll be sent to high-priority areas across the region. It comes as Maryland passes 20,000 cases. Hospitalizations are up by 15 cases.
As of Friday, March 12, 2021, 7,848 people have died in Maryland from coronavirus-related illness. 88% were 60 years or older. Based on 2019 statistics, coronavirus would be the third leading cause of death behind heart disease and cancer.
But in the U.S., 4 million respirators. That press conference was the school closures. Dr. Karen Salmon is the state school superintendent. Here she is talking about the closure.
88% were 60 years or older. Based on 2019 statistics, coronavirus would be the third leading cause of death behind heart disease and cancer.
But in the U.S.,